I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. What's up, you guys? It's the BA. Welcome to the channel where we cover all things related to careers and academics. Today we're going to be going over the biggest / the best construction companies in South Africa. Literally 2 years ago, I was working for this small consulting company, and probably 90% of our clients were construction companies. So there are a large amount of construction companies in the country, and many of them are really good. If there's a company that I don't mention and yet you feel deserves to be on this list, just drop it in the comments below. With that said, let's get into it. At number 7, we have Lub Construction. So Lub Construction is one of the biggest integrated construction development and management, infrastructure and property development companies in South Africa. The company is a wholly black-owned indigenous construction company which evolved from the solid and humble beginning in the home building and general renovation industry in 1981. The company was formalized as a closed corporation specializing in electrical and building construction in 1987. Today, Lub Construction is a private company registered in and under the company laws in the Republic of South Africa. Lub Construction prides itself in unsurpassed workmanship and their great contribution to infrastructure development in South Africa, from construction of low-cost housing to affordable housing, turnkey development projects, and civil construction. The company targets to meet customer expectations and is proactive in finding the best solutions to clients that will meet the desired results. At number 6, we have WK Constructions. WK Construction is one of the largest construction companies in South Africa with more than 40 years of experience in construction and engineering business. Previously known as WJM Construction, the company was founded in Cape Town in 1960 and was renamed to WK Construction in 1993 after a management buyout. WK Construction's offering include trenchless technology construction, township roads and infrastructure development, pipeline construction, concrete structures, crushing and screening operations. Being a full member of the South African Federation of Civil Engineering Contractors, WK Construction has an enviable track record in pipeline and construction using a large range of diameters from 100 millimeters up to 3,000 millimeters and has been involved in various projects including the Western Aqueduct Project, which is the largest pipeline project to be commissioned by eThekwini Water and Sanitation to date. At number 5, we have Moteo Constructions. The Moteo Construction Group was established in 1997 by Dr. Thandine Ndlovu and has developed into one of South Africa's leading predominantly black female-owned construction companies. Moteo Construction, a leading provider of social housing in the country, has grown organically by reinvesting its earnings to fund the company's growth. And since its establishment, the company has developed approximately 1.5% of all the social housing developed and/or constructed in South Africa. Through Dr. Ndlovu's involvement, Moteo is a founder member and leading role player in SAWIC, South African Women in Construction, with an annual turnover of $409 million, which is just over 6 billion rands. At number 4, we have Stefanati Stocks. So Stefanati Stocks is one of South Africa's leading multidisciplinary construction companies with an annual turnover in excess of 7 billion rands, and it has more than 9,000 employees. The company delivers a range of infrastructure development projects to governments, local authorities, mining houses, large corporations, financial institutions, and large property developers. Stefanati Stocks operates in a wide range of sectors including roads and earthworks, structures, mining services, interior fit-out, mechanical, electrical and power, as well as construction and building sector. The company has a grade 9 rating from the South African Construction Industry Development Board, which gives it unlimited tender capability. Now, if you're finding this video informative so far, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. At number 3, we have Concor. Formerly known as Murray and Roberts Construction, Concor is a leading infrastructure and services construction business with core proficiencies in the building, mining, infrastructure, and property development sectors. With a history that dates back to the early 1900s, Concor is regarded as one of the most powerful construction companies in the Southern African region. The company has developed iconic infrastructure projects across South Africa, including Blokrans Bridge in the Eastern Cape, and Huguenot Tunnel and Hugo's River Viaduct in Western Cape. Others include the reservoir for the Ingula Power Station in KwaZulu-Natal and Carlton Centre, Absa Towers, Melrose Arc, the Gautrain and Menlyn Shopping Centre in Gauteng. At number 2, we have Robex Construction. Founded in 1974 by Koos Robbenheimer, Robex Construction is a top construction company in South Africa, having handled infrastructure development and building material supply for more than 40 years. Robex, which listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange in March 2007, operates across South Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Cameroon, Zambia, and Mozambique. Recently, the company launched operations in Western Australia after acquiring Westforce Construction. Some of the projects the company has taken part in include Acacia Road Surfacing, Aliwal Doloroid Quarry, BNE International, Canyon Rock Quarries, Conspec, Milling Techniques, National Asphalt, Queenstown Quarry, Space Construction, SPH Kundalila, and Zamori Construction. At number 1, we have WBHO Construction. Established in 1979, Wilson-Holmes is one of the biggest construction companies in South Africa, with extensive operations in Australia, the UK, and several other African countries. The company is named after its founders, John Wilson and Brian Holmes, who initially traded as Wilson-Holmes. After several acquisitions, the company was renamed to Wilson-Holmes before finally becoming WBHO Construction in 1996. The company offers diversified engineering and infrastructure solutions in various sectors including road and bridge construction, earthworks, as well as infrastructure and civil engineering. Today, WBHO Construction prides itself by being listed on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange and on having an annual turnover of $669 million, which is just over 9.9 billion rands. The driving force behind WBHO is a core of dedicated, hands-on management professionals whose experience spans decades of major construction projects in Southern Africa, the Middle East, and various Indian Ocean islands. The company's offices are strategically located in Johannesburg, Cape Town, and Port Elizabeth. And finally, that's it you guys. Thanks for watching. Do check out my other videos. And as always, mischief managed.
you.